Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can submit plants to the ancient jack-o'-lantern in Grey Garden. Basically, what you'll need to do is you'll need to give the jack-o'-lantern like Halloween mutated plants. So I'm just going to get my only mutated plants that I have right now, which is the Vamp Maple Resin. It could be any Halloween mutated plants. There is a spooky one, etc., etc. I'm just going to favorite that, and I'm just going to take that out, select talk, and then submit held item. As you can see, I have completed the Beware the Consequences achievement, but I think if I keep doing that, I'll get candy corn and some items as well. I don't really know if it's worth it. I mean, just do it with the witch, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.